part of the game. It's a rich thing.
First go to the file and choose open. Select this t-shirt image, click open. Take the quick selection tool and select the t-shirt in this manner. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection to separate layer. Now take the rectangle tool, set the shape option, then create a shape like this. Right click on the shape layer and choose create clipping mask. Right click on this layer again and choose convert to smart object. Double click on this layer's thumbnail. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this flower texture image, click place. Adjust the texture in this manner. Press enter. Go to the file and choose save. Open the main window. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Now adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.